Hi, my name is Maurice O'Brien. I'm a Strategic Marketing Manager in Analog Devices Industrial Automation Business Unit. Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and digital factory are names used to describe the evolution of manufacturing that utilizes digital transformation strategies to deliver new, discrete, and continuous manufacturing capabilities, providing higher levels of productivity, increased flexibility and agility, while consuming less energy for more sustainable manufacturing. Industrial connectivity is the key to unlocking rich data sets that are then communicated across a manufacturing installation. Digital transformation strategies use these new data sets and apply advanced analytics to control and to optimize manufacturing flows in real time, identifying bottlenecks in production, reducing energy consumption, and monitoring the health of assets to eliminate unplanned downtime. Today, Analog Devices is showcasing 3 industrial communication solutions that are enabling digital transformation in smart manufacturing: 10BASE-T1L, IO-Link, and software configurable I/O. 10BASE-T1L, or Ethernet-APL, advanced physical layer, will enable the transition to seamless field-to-cloud connected process automation installations, including hazardous area locations. With significantly more power available on 2 wires, plus high bandwidth Ethernet communication, new Ethernet-APL enabled field devices with enhanced features and functions can now be supported. These new devices will unlock process data for cloud computing, with powerful data analytics driving process optimization with actionable insights. Analog Devices offers a complete portfolio of 10BASE-T1L products and is working closely with leading process automation companies to accelerate its deployment. Agile Production is required to quickly respond to changing consumer demands and support efficient production down to a batch size of 1. Agile Production is supported by IO-Link enabled intelligent connected sensors and actuators that reduce configuration and commissioning time as devices identify and configure themselves automatically. Analog Devices is focused on delivering robust IO-Link solutions with higher levels of integration, while also partnering with software stack vendors to provide a range of fully verified and tested reference designs. Finally, software configurable I/O provides unprecedented levels of flexibility for any industrial I/O function to be accessed on any pin, allowing channels to be configured at any time. Thus, customization can happen right at the time of installation, resulting in more flexible manufacturing plants. To learn more about Analog Devices' complete system-level solutions and how we're helping our customers and partners quickly develop and deploy new industrial connectivity solutions, please visit analog.com/industry 4.0.